In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Google Docs, step by step. Fonts do more than change how text looks. They set the tone of your document, whether you want something clean and professional or creative and expressive. Let's walk through the process so you can quickly find and use the styles you like. Start by opening your Google Doc and looking at the toolbar at the top. You'll see a drop-down that typically shows a default font, such as Arial. Click that font drop-down to open the list of available choices. At the very top of that list, click More Fonts. This opens Google's full catalog of web fonts, which you can add to your personal list. Inside the More Fonts window, you'll notice a large selection of typefaces in the center and a section called My Fonts on the right. To add a font to your personal list, simply click its name in the main list. As you click, the font will appear in My Fonts on the right, confirming it's selected. You can select multiple fonts at once, so feel free to add everything you plan to use in this document or in future ones. If you're looking for a specific style, use the filters to narrow things down. Categories like display and handwriting help you quickly find fonts designed for headlines, signatures, or more decorative looks. These filters are optional, but very handy when you want a particular aesthetic without scrolling through everything. Once you've chosen the fonts you want, click OK. This step confirms your selection and closes the window. Your new fonts are now added to your font menu, making them easy to access whenever you're writing or editing. To apply one of your new fonts, highlight the text you want to change, then open the font drop-down again and select your font from the list. If you don't have any text selected, choosing a font will set it for whatever you type next, which is useful when you're starting a new section. Many fonts also include variants like bold or italic. After you've applied your font, use the standard formatting controls in the toolbar to choose the weight or style you want. Keep in mind that not every font supports every variant. If a style is unavailable, it may appear grayed out. One important note, you can't upload custom fonts to Google Docs, but all the fonts in the catalog are free to use, and there's a wide variety to cover almost any need. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.